Welcome to Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, Luminous Waves Chair Yoga. Happy Yoga is designed to bring you the beauty of Mother Nature as you take time to bring more balance to your mind, body, and breath. Allow the luminous water energy to recharge your body as we enjoy Dynamic Flowing Warriors series using a chair for support. Focusing on creating more strength and tone in the legs while opening to more space and flexibility in the hips, shoulders, and upper back. Relax and remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.